How to check views on Instagram post. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can see the views that you got on your Instagram post. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app. From here, get logged into your Instagram account and tap onto your profile on your bottom right. As you can see that this is a personal or private account. In order to see the views that you get in your post, you have to switch your account to a business or professional account. To do that, tap on Twitter icon on your top right, scroll below, and under For Professionals, tap on Account Type and Tools. Tap on Switch to Professional Account. Give any profession that you would like. Now refresh your page, and now this is your creator dashboard. Tap on any post that you would like to view the insights of. Then you will see View Insights. Simply tap onto it. From here, you will be able to see how many people have visited your post and how many accounts that has reached. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.